Okay, now, this is the spelling homework, okay?
Yeah.
Second grade.
Yeah.
So, read the directions to us, please.
Okay. Put your spelling words in alphabetic order.
Okay. And point out what you did.
I did all these in order, but I didn't have any room. Wait. I turned it around.
I didn't even see that.
I turned it around, and I did the rest right
So
there.
what did you do? Explain to me what you can put it down on the table and explain it. So what did you do? Explain to us what you did.
I was kind of like copying this.
What is this? You have to remember we can't see it very well, so you have to say what it is. What is this?
It's alphabetic. It's words in the alphabet.
Let me see.
Okay.
Okay, so you're talking about the line on the bottom.
Yes.
What is that?
The alphabet. And I did it a couple of times, and then I stopped. Then I continued working it on without looking.
Okay, put it down again. Now, read the directions again.
Put your spelling words in alphabetic order.
Okay, what did you put on the paper?
The alphabet and my name.
Okay, and what are the directions?
Put your spelling words in alphabetic order.
And what did you put in alphabetic order?
The letters.
Okay. The letters of?
The paper. Of the homework paper that.
And the one that was on the bottom?
Yes.
And what was on the bottom?
The spelling. Not spelling words. I mean, the alphabet.
Okay. And what are the directions again?
Put your spelling words in alphabetic order. And excuse me.
You're excused. And what did you do?
I put them in alphabetic order.
What did you put in alphabetic order?
The alphabet.
Is that your spelling word?
No.
What's the directions?
Put your spelling words in alphabetic order.
Yeah. What does that mean?
I have to do it in alphabetic order.
Do what in alphabetic order?
The spelling.
Do you see why I want to remember this forever? Huh?
Yes. I thought it said words.
You have to look at the directions.
Turn the camera off.
Please.